Hello lads. Oh, snowing outside again. The joys of global warming, but we did that song. This is a lad's cookery program really, I suppose. You see, I've noticed certain videos are showing women mending boilers, shoveling snow, and they're neglecting us lads. Here we are. I'm hungry, it's dinner time. What do? I've got to cook for myself. So here's a little recipe for you lads. It's called chicken bing. You gotta love chicken bing. Firstly, it's very simple. This is a standard microwave. It has two settings, cooking or heating. 3 if you include defrosting. What you do is you take a chicken. Now, being a sensible lad, this is a reduced chicken from Iceland. That's a store for £2.50. So you take your chicken, prepare it, you add potatoes, difficult this sometimes. And onions, and don't forget the greens. It's very important to have your greens. I recommend frozen peas. Right. Oh, wait, I forgot the seasoning. You should always add seasoning. Now, here's the clever bit. You put it in a microwave. That is called cooking. Always make sure you've got time for a glass of the old red stuff. Set timer to automatic and start. You've now got about 5-10 minutes or so before it's ready, which is just enough time for a song. So where were we? The joy of chicken bing. Say, see lads? It's not hard. You just, now important things here. Firstly, as you can see, we now have a ready-made meal. All you have to do is just throw it in the microwave. Whatever women say about spending their days cooking, you can see how easy it is. Now, 2 things are very important. Firstly, you have to clear up after yourself. Secondly, you have to show a little decorum. Then, there's that all-important, here's the bit I made earlier. Maybe over the top. Now, and then lads, it's just, once again, Ah. Cheers, lads. Ah. Do 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 do. It's hot. Do do do. Ah. 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 Yeah. Oh.